George Mawa, Gino Jualo, Moha, and in the period we are born, I do not para beyond the Moha, to me and telling me about when the period of beach. If I do a lesson, I may take you more, and more than a lot, and whether you over the jet and be here. And a very mal there, when you are a manual.
The officials from
George Mawa, doctor degree, honorary doctor degree, no me a big in a bear and you. But I can America, the lamb or look at Java, Rio, Peo, no, in a for the degree. For the degree of me, are many, or the degree. I don't speak that. The more you be a real day, and more carry. My joy, we don't know. As you be married, a man with doctorate degree, honorary doctorate degree. I'm not me and the law don't attack that on a doctor, George Mawa, no more caro. You want to be a Rio, get a para Rio, and a bit more diplomat in public administration. Public administration. Manuka Pepanere at Macquarie University. In Mohammed, we are getting a phone when we are going when the late of George Mawa, who will not certificate in primary teaching from PTC Aloy Fatima. Mangune Mawara, primary. The more I do me here, the mere woman and beer woman at BTL. I don't think when you're a certificate. Messini and when the secondary school, a model of what the secondary school, Arua, kind of working on about.
And also the act of sexual violence against women and girls.
Kuningoni karena dong bisa bajiro tau, ada dua baju, ada panel kompet PTC merek, kamera don't need to details. Adung kita mau tu ni ariom kere, ada kukar jadan. School AJL, Amity Los Angeles, Child Development Institute, Amabra Christian Bible Institute, Dawilme Mawa, Waro Kerawar, Megwan, Kerengayoba, Attack. Mawa Dawilme Award, East Africa Leadway Leadership Summit at PEFA. Christian Church in Kenya. Ngendo kuda ko di ba de ta ko pano ko ba. Ko bare manno. Adon speaker Mawa biru di Japan. Adon abejo. Ini biru jadi Mawa. Dele to ka George Mawa biru tanyo. UBPA. What can I get for Bukan? Jadi dikira BBA. Kerja di Kerekan in 2001, 2011, 2016. Memang waktu dikira BBA Gini bongo Barogole, mare bongo terapi kau berdiri. Aku kerja kan mau video nunggu BBA. Jadi BBA merah kami itu nyanyi tu, eno lagi corruption. Mawa binu ya pilot mo juina, jo juina bijar dekat Tuat me Barogole, Yara Telecan, and then it can bear. So I don't speak the late Mama Jolie to the down, a call, the Lira City Council. Then upon your work, you're a call of and upon you. We're going to school, a professional school, make on you, you can't attend away upon your village here, by Barogole. Take on the teacher Paul, the one, but you're looking at Paul one. Monica, you don't get one, we are here. You only have to do Yamini, take on the teacher Paul, the Yahoo school in Mohanaka. And I'll be in Jaho. In a mountain when it British hygiene care. A matter of your wife will make walk with you from the city, Canada, but a little municipality. Matter of your wife, to Dr. Yugi, Woro, while your mother is back to your dog. That you did the water in Sudan. Mao Giruga has Southern Sudan. It is not British hygiene care. You teach a bear. In Sudan, can you get a big payment for a walk? And you Sudan, they do a walk. Can I be a bear or walk a chill comb? You did a chill. Magic man, I don't speak up. Get a couple of minutes, and Yamini. To details, it is a PTA. Mawa was an environmentalist activist after realizing the increased challenges in waste management in many towns in northern Uganda. In 2002, Mawa opened British Hygiene Care Limited to offer consultancy services on environmental protection, sanitation, and waste management. In 2017,
specifically, who knows? By the time that some of us will die, the council will have a lot of capacity, a lot of money. Maybe it will give 10 million shillings. Why should you limit it to 1 million shillings? So I don't want to go outside there that time the council has resolved. The good thing you're hearing it for yourself, not so. Can you proceed? Yes, Wiley.
Thank you. Quite thank you, Speaker. I'm happy to do two things. One, move a motion that the proposal made by the executive or by mayor specifically, the two prayers, be adopted as the working document of council for implementation. But before I do that, Mr. Speaker, I have this one amendment to make. One, that now that we are agreeing to make a road, for the visibility of this road and some of the roads that we are naming after our people, can we have the signage so that people get to know that, okay, yeah, this is George Mawa Road, this is so and so road, this is so and so road. Because if you make this road without the signage, maybe the impact will not be really felt. Okay, that is the proposal that I'm making, that together, as we name this road, can we make a signage so that it's clearly written that this is George Mawa Road, so that at the end of the day it's known. But no, if that is accepted, the council will see whether that can be worked on. But also too, George Mawa. I knew George Mawa Jalaba job. The Ganasha, I mean, George Mawa, the room speaker, and I've been a drop in George Mawa. And I've been a drop in HP. You know, we have to be honest. Oh, God, I'm not going to George Mawa. And the guy might have a drop in HP. Tete to one more to one of the parliament. Opposite to Mokerotori. You are working with your living. George Mawa, the Belba. Tibero, Cabell, with your pecado. Committee storm in parliament. The any parliament, you're going to take the movement. And we know the Barogole, Kerujina, which dominated the UPC. George Mawa, points one of you have chippy. I've seen chairman Bonga Pebo, Pekano. And George Mawa take a good take to your name. I'm not paying George Mawa. And I one of you polling stations, no take a day. No take down. Kiri you in a private school, I don't take polling stations. Ayo. And George Mawa to the chief. The chairman of law. Take a go to the chief. Because the other local. Kita lagi mau baca ke, ni anak dulu kok, ini tu ada dah. Akan kita fikir kau ni ibu orang, ni ini dia lah. That was the level, but there was something that belonged. Ni kan ada politics memang, dia, even I know that you give to me chipi ni cakap, menuju bayar galawang kerja. Tu orang mana chipi gitu galawang kerja. Ini nanti ane te kwa komawa. I know tino udwale na no te kwa komawa. Kuni chimwa na to ne ka kwa chipi. Itube no de ba. E chipi kana kuni chimwa na ne te kwa na mawa. Idongi ni tube ke. At the end of the day, jona rione. Utu ke politics mama. The one of the emotica. Can we learn something from this? Ni even when we different opinion. One people because take politics I don't about two and you're telling about you to politics member politics I mean pay and woody babel more maybe any time you know Mawa give me a rushing Marco you give me a rushing over the chairperson of PTA in a primary school and George Mawa who been a very councillor I mean making sure two people are making sure that you remember making sure that you in a primary school benefiting, including Yikuru and the Barogole, So I want to thank him for making contribution. For the municipality, in particular. And Mr. Speaker, I
the ayes have it. Clerk, and we have taken us to the next item. Right, Honorable Speaker, next on the item we have geology. And we have the former councillor of the Lira municipality. Recognitions. Amongst us we have Honorable Izibash. Izibash is the workers' councillor in Oyam district. I think he's also the secretary for works. Production rather. Honorable Bash, you're most welcome. I know you've been doing business along Morol Road together with the late Dr. George Mawa. Thank you for coming. We have Martin Ochelobiek, Speaker Emeritus in the district, former contestant with the Honorable Dr. George Mawa. Thank you for gracing this council. We have also seen the Honorable Emmanuel Bongo-Pero, the Division Mayor Emeritus of Gina. Thank you for coming. I think it's moved up, Patrick Pozolo and March of the UPC party. He was also here. I've seen Ian Moses Yendo. He's also one of the clan leaders of Parliament clan, where the deceased hails from. And he's also one of the pioneer businessmen in the business of catering. Thank you so much for inspiring the people of Lira City. I've also seen former councillors of the Municipal Council who worked with the late Dr. George Mawa. Can you raise that for recognition? Former councillors. Thank you so much for coming to honor Dr. George Mawa. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. I've also seen the current division councillors, Lira City West and Lira City East. May you also rise up for recognition. The division councillors. Thank you.
To the death or demise of my brother, Honorable Dr. Mawa George. Mr. Speaker, I am here to make a very short statement. I will relate the life of Honorable Dr. Mawa George, the life of Martin Luther King Jr., maiden statement and said, our lives will begin to end. Our lives will begin to rot on the day that we remain silent on things that matter. Mr. Speaker, and the members of this House, I have lived and worked with the late Honorable Dr. Mawa George for more than 10 years. 2021, when I joined this council, I came together with the Honorable Mawa George. I followed his footsteps until when 2016, I rose up to follow his legacy. One thing that I have learned with the Mawa George is somebody who will never follow you when he knows you are dubious in your actions. I learned his ways. It triggered my mind, and I started following what he likes and what he doesn't like. Mr. Speaker, and the members of this House, I have only one message to speak here. I served as the mayor, I served as the campaign manager of the fallen hero. I have been his campaign manager from 2016. That time when we were working with the former mayor, Barogole. You all know what transpired. But one thing I learned of the late, after all that happened, we reconciled with the former mayor, Barogole, and today we are greeting one another. This is a message that I want us to carry home. The man lying before us here is not an ordinary person. He's a gentleman who has led his life with a lot of diligence, with a lot of patience, with a lot of hard work. And today, I charge us that even as we go and lay our brother, can we relate something from this fallen man? I thank the current mayor for the statement that he made concerning the fallen hero. May the gentle soul of Honorable Dr. Mawa George rest in eternal peace.
By saying we have lost a gentleman. Mawa is a gentleman. I contested with Mawa for city mayor. But when we go for candidates meeting, me and his worship the mayor, you find us laughing. Laughing. The first time we met, he went on the border. For me, engineer Nen had given me a fare. So I was driving a Prado. So Mawa asked me, hey, you bought a vehicle? I said, yeah. Studying for mayorship is I bought a vehicle. Yeah, that was what my fear. Then he told his campaign manager that now that Odiek has got a vehicle. And knowing that Mawa's financial health is better than mine, Mawa promised to buy a vehicle. Then I dropped them to Chiro. They was going to meet a few people. The following morning, Mawa phoned me walking, and he was driving. He said, where is your vehicle? I said, that actually borrowed. And we laughed. When we lost, I called Mawa. I said, Mawa, don't worry. They got my kid, but then they're not very happy. Some people were very annoyed that they lost the election, but for us, we were happy. And I've left politics. I'm now a free man, but I contested with him, a nice man. Find that, Mr. Speaker. Some also showed something very extraordinary that very few people do. You and I know that currently I'm the tropical champion of Lira City, employed by VNG. Very few of you know. But I was recommended by Atol. Yet I contested with him. This is the kind of life we're supposed to have. Tine pay the terra, diki pay the terra. And I pay the terra, and I wear the terra, and I walk with the mom. So what I need. What I chung can you for better bed? One point.
Thank you so much. Children, the deceased. You can understand that.
Ya, kitu ko kele marwa tikatira pa ya kile bikano tikere toro chele no bohogi torgi obero Dr. Eunice Mawa. Dr. Eunice akan katutumi atamo wa kukumu kele wrong speaker wrong mayor Manotino ame Dr. Mawa owekiwa don't quite ame award boro ikoyo wokele apo yo bongo pedro pingo eno kobo otino bara donkiti nuri do mama ke ko ni borwa umi amiti chungini kano ma oro chake bedi wo kano ke ni mo biye into which mutia kwa do mi to lego support boro we kwangi mede worani ka hayna dado romo ma ko ne me teach apa mesiti ba ko na ko bucha o da to be ko ni ikela bi kana me ko ko ga de yot Dr. Eunice obe da me chegere ata ne mo ka wo ko ko na ko waro mo ke passion tia bishia opoya.
Hallelujah. God is a day. Why you remove my money? Why you leaving with you?
Borbotie genen computer bishia la do na bedo kede mulalo bedo enkiken ame bedo kede Dr. Mawa atamo tino da bedo no tino da bedo duna bishia la babo ne no tipingi damo yele kede chake na ya giki umangeo business no Mawa tete yo pera berkina yot do amita kuo ene jimjo ko ka te wa me para mi da mo be da te o chum na ya business me bitja jen ko te wala ni o di ju ko hera be Mawa no be do bishele ya no moyo ni no mi le twal na yo be da bishele ni no di do ha bishele donc wacha ti boro projet bere di kala chuneo bordo di passion na hayan na be ti ti ambitiel on produit ni na yo ko ayego maybe no urigo tingala sia meeting ti kabera yo chapa on be passion dure rele eka kana chiki kan all nation kan chawa ba ngelse yo obedo councillor return me take para me na return obedo ayena Christmas odon o chime pero ministre me compio do evre na tame dum e kamado joko ko pe biye ko pe alisha ko pe chatomel na itere
especially sawana mitudapenda kana loni pataya do da banko hospital baada ya kuntewa na pataya iyo memeri wa Yabi Mogo, Amenyo Ramoko Divi. Pichim, Karaki Gama Besha Betikuno, Chim Wakan Patitual. Dr. George Mawa, Dr. Kape, Tera Dr. Benuni Komele. What would Jiri, another would to shoot Jiri, Jola, Jochian, Kajo, Nanachal. Muni Goju Kometaru Kumechamojo. Not to make Muni Komele, Petia. What I don't think you Dr. Docha, Vara Dochana. It don't call Google Passion. The narrative dwelling Kajo, warning. Dr. George Cometario, but yeah, I have become what I do at the ring. You can't be sharp here, and you might hear you would be done. Don't let what the other, I don't ever roll it. Can I hold my child? I don't come on you. And I bet the hat I'll get a little bit jammy, and it's your people diku. And don't want to sharp on me. I make up war, you are full of a very point. That American go to the Dahamer.
Patrick Ogwan, it will be a monument match. A video chairperson, Agro, Input Dealers Association. Memawa, Te hygiene. No meal, Puri Lama Dushu, Yacholi, Kodiachil, the chemicals. You don't need a dog in other environment. Mawa, the dog at Te Fico Slavic management. Fico anyway will chat. Then in wow show. Amen. No will care. Ameyawa. Make one Joe. Ilao and Bishu. Now he actually been a meeting now. But the Kiraga. So, Mayor, you care. Attack. Mawa. Taikoni lobi kome, amono yuping. Dong apot paworo yin, ayayo kamaro, jome lao agro input dealers, yomala. Jene na lupa ko ni mizubashi Sudangi, John to Chipoimo. Dada ko bi family ni lao agro, unu yele chwala jamano, dada unu. Kiritini ni Jawaba, one of the meeting, Pacific Grand Hotel.
Ana Coke Noro, come a room George Mawa. Itun Bangwa wana chalo wibie. A bon paraniti NRM, iti UPC, iti Quere, one way you dana tag. When you know we be a killer, I may marry. Dang with a jet copa, Jena Co. Men who can be Jena. Balagan one of the Ottoman candy, about Skelly, a Kachela again, who deal with you drug in the God speaker. Eh, go men who can take it. You deal with you go, maybe you ought to pay a land to the I'm a poor year, more to me. No one to be one of our very around to do a house. Take up the one a good man, you know, our pedo pan. Look, we in the middle of our Ana ruin ni wale kunuende kwa nie ruin. Iwo ka nola mwenda mwe tamu ni abisecha unobero no tori. Ede no kije ko bero no ke ede ko bia tani. Hapo wano tori chuo nga te atula la nyawa. Kulikana ni chuo ije bero no ke. Ya wewe ngite no be kale to ni This is very bad again. So when you're not a bit like a Valmora, Anna, you know, we will shower where work on come back for me. Or when a name of works, Lira City Council, Mawa was the chairperson of works, Lira Municipal Council care. And most of the works on the roads and construction were sharing
as political leaders. But I knew Mawa a little bit longer than that. When he was a teacher for Kia Primary School. And for some of you who don't know Mawa as a teacher, I have known him as a teacher of Akia Primary School 10. And yesterday I was interacting with one of the ladies that was taught by him. And they described the late Mawa George as a very humble, a very talented, a very skillful person that has given them knowledge and skills, but above all provided them good morals. That was the quality of a teacher that was in the late George Mawa. As a political leader, Mawa George was an influencer in politics. There are 5 qualities of a political leader. You must influence, you must negotiate. To influence, to negotiate. You don't ask him when you want your project done. Was an influencer of a project in his constituency. But he was a controller also. A man that after the budget, he wants the work done to have quality. That is the work of a political leader. Control function. To have quality work. And that's why you hear people talk about the main market was not to the standard, but he said we want the market constructed in a standard way. He was an organizer, but above all, he was a manager as a political leader. I have seen children of Mawa. I want to conclude. I have seen children of Mawa before us here. No, I'm a Christian, and me, I don't want to lie. I knew Mawa a little bit long before being saved as a very strong Catholic. I want to be open. Was very close and was a very strong Catholic. I was very close, very generous, contributed a lot of money, physical, and then emotional support to church people. I have seen children here. And me, I want to talk as a Christian. I want to be open. I want to talk as a Christian. Kodina Mawa, I want to believe you are hearing me. Can't look now. Ana mabi rumiya ni baba to me dia chako sini achia. Baba na reto. Ama chako sini achia. Do karana no be mo para wiye no de para ngwana para bi. Era ne umi polba. Amenya to ke kenu yi supporting uchuli ukwan. Ngato ke ken amo yeju le kwa dano tu abikaji mapashi udon waranye dan cha no mato mo yi support yina cha tenki beda wo dan yi ni yide bido atine and that's why some of us have been leaders even up to now go uru chi mo ko kana yema o ke ye ko bu ma wa amo pera kwa rayo bujiri ni oto ko kotina pa wewe kotina mawa kwa nwa pasha mawa peato wewe kotina pari degame uwora jim pasha mawa jim. Yesterday I was in a family meeting at home and I was a better position. I am a Catholic leader. Although I won't say religious leader. You be united as children from different mothers. They want to be open. And that is my word. I'm a leader. I'm a Catholic leader.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.